Welcome again. This is the match between two teams under 14. Very interesting match here at Chukar. The two teams are Victory Vipers versus this is a toss here between the two captains. So it is toss time.
Head is the call.
And
This is head.
head came to toss. Shabash. क्या कर सकते? Bowling. कोता दिखते इमन ये करना?
37-38 पर निकाल दूँ सारी.
चलो कप्तान ना बैटिंग कर रहे हैं. कोता एक्स कर इमन 8 रमस.
78.
इसे 8 ओवर गेम. चलो फिर स्टार्ट. औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर रहीम. वेलकम अगेन. आज मैच जो है वो अंडर 14 टीम्स के दरमियान खेला जाएगा. फाइनल मुकाबला जो फ्रंट्स 11 चुकर वर्सेस विक्ट्री वाइपर्स चुकर के दरमियान खेला जाएगा. सो इस वीडियो में लाइव स्ट्रीम में बने रहे. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. एक इंटरेस्टिंग मैच है ये. दिस इज फाइनल बिटवीन द टू टीम्स. सो द अंपायर एंड फर्स्ट टॉस विन Victory Vipers win the toss and they decided to ball first. This is 8 overs game and this is final between the two teams. Here is very interesting match today between Fronts 11 Chukar versus Victory Vipers, and this is cup for this is trophy for final, and it will be seen which will be the champion of this match final. So let us start the first over of this final between Fronts 11 Chukar versus Victory Vipers under 14. So दोनों टीमें मैदान में आए और पहला विक्ट्री वाइपर्स उसने टॉस जीत कर पहले फील्डिंग का निर्णय लिया. आप देखते हैं कौन सी टीम इसमें फाइनल्स में कामयाबी हासिल करेगी. दिस इज फाइनल ऑफ अंडर 14. Fahim, thank you Fahim for joining us with on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a final of Windball tournament here, under 14. Very good and interesting match here. So this is first over here by the captain of Victory Vipers, and this is a
White ball.
wide given by the umpire. This is wide delivery. Score question, and the score is 1 for Fronts 11 Chukar. Oh, good delivery, very good delivery, but it is a wide given by the umpire. Score moves to 2 without any loss. This is first over of this final match. आज यहाँ पे तमाशगीरे, बहुत ही तमाशगीरे यहाँ पे बच्चे देखने आए यहाँ पे अपनी अपनी टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. This is another wide given by the umpire. Again, good delivery. Oh, good shot played by the batsman at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 4 without any wicket. This is the first over of this match. 8 overs match between the two teams. And this is another wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 5 without any loss. Oh, another wide by the captain of Vipers. यहाँ पे फाइनल खेला जा रहा है. Oh, here was the chance of a catch, but at the end is missed by wicketkeeper. And the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 7. 2 runs. Kota ko score. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. Thank you मोहम्मद आसिफ साहब, फहीम साहब, thank you मोहम्मद आसिफ. ये कहती है ग्राउंड स्मॉल फहीम. This is under 14 final at Chukar. The two teams are Fronts 11 Chukar, and this is another delivery. Good delivery, but at the end this is wide given by the umpire. Wide. Mega over. Oh, another wide given by the umpire. Not good bowling by the captain of Victory Vipers Chukar. This is again. The batsman plays a shot here at the end. Very good fielding at the end. And this is out given by the umpire. Very good fielding at the end by the fielder Muhammad Asif. And it is first wicket in the shape of, Ayaz is out. This is first wicket for Fronts 11 Chukar. Now the new batsman is Faizan. And the captain is on his bowling mark to the batsman. Very short, well shot played by the batsman. And this is 6 given by the umpire. This is first 6 of this first evening of under 14 final. Very interesting match here. Again, this is very expensive over by the captain of Victory Vipers, Mr. Asif. He's again on his bowling mark. This is 5th delivery of this first evening, and this is final. Oh, this is a white, and again a white given by the umpire. Not good bowling by the captain Muhammad Asif. Very expensive over. Again Muhammad Asif on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, again यहाँ पे अच्छी बॉलिंग करनी होगी अगर इस फाइनल में फतह करनी होगी, because this is very expensive over. Again to the batsman. Oh, very good shot played by the batsman. At the end, very well fielding at the end. No run for the team, no run for the batsman. This is very interesting match here. Under 14, Casco final. Muhammad Asif again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, this is totally no run score. And this is end of first over. This is 8 overs match. This is final of this tournament. Very good match between the two teams. Under 14 now. The new bowler is इसका नाम इसे batsman है. Barik is on strike, and on strike. Fazan is on strike. This is first over and the score is and very expensive over by the captain of Warriors. 18 runs in first over. This is very interesting match here. Under 14 final played at Chukar. देखिए तमाशगीर भी बहुत है यहाँ पे. फाइनल खेला जाएगा. लेजेंड्स भी यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे आपको. आप जरूर इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, और ताकि इन बच्चों का जो मन है, इंटरेस्ट है, वो बढ़ जाए गेम में. दिस इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मैच. अब इस फाइनल का दूसरा ओवर डालने आए हैं. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. यहाँ पे आपको लेजेंड्स भी नजर आएंगे. हुज़ैफ, इशफाक, and today is the day of final under 19 14 under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulba ground, and I will also invite you, all of you, that you will come here at Chukar Tulba ground. Very interesting match between CSK Palalan versus Chukar Cricket Club. Will be start on 11 AM inshallah on Tulba ground. This is again second over of this and this is a court delivery. No run. The score remains on 18 with for the loss of 1. This is again this is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 19 for the loss of 1. This is second over of this match, final match. Oh, this is good shot played by the bat, and then very good fielding by the fielder. No run. Score remains on 19 without any loss. This is again this is good shot and very good fielding. No run. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे फील्डर के दौरान. स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 19 विदाउट एनी लॉस. दिस इज उसके बॉलर्स ना, and this is Adil again. This is wide given by the umpire. Wide. With this wide, the score moves to 20 for the loss of 1. Adil is again on his bowling mark to the batsman, and this is another wide given by the umpire. यहाँ पे wide बचाने होंगे अगर इस फाइनल में चैंपियन बनना होगा. This is again the score is 21. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman and very good fielding. But 2 runs for the team and 2 runs for the batsman. This is 22 on board for the loss of 1. This is second over of this final match at Chukar. 114. Adil again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, this is clean bowled. Very good delivery by the bowler Adil, and his second wicket for France Eleven Chukar. They lost their second wicket and they have only 22 on board. Now the new batsman is Abid, the captain of this team. Oh, this is good shot. Very good shot. This is 6. Very good shot. Played by the batsman, the captain Abid. And this is 6. The score moves to 28 for the loss of 2. And this is the third over of this final. So this is the third over. Again, the captain is on his bowling mark, and it is good shot played by the batsman. And it is missed by the no man's land. The two batsmen, this is 4 given by the umpire. With this 4, the score moves to 32 for the loss of 2. This is third over of this match, final match. And Asif, he's again on his body mark to the batsman. This is good shot, and this is 6 given by the umpire. Very good shot played by the batsman. The score moves to 38. This is huge 6. Interesting match, final match of this under 14 tournament. Again, Mohammad Asif to the batsman. This is out given by the umpire. Very good delivery by the captain Mohammad Asif. The score remains on 38 for the loss of 3. Can they give the target of 70-80 to Victory Blasters? It is a very interesting match. It is a final match of under 14. Now the new batsman is Umar is the new batsman for France 11 Chukar, and Mohammad Asif is on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar, and this is a white given by the umpire. White. With this white, the score moves to 39 for the loss of 2. This is white.
38.
Farhan Lone. Come on, Abid, thank you. Abid is on strike, and thank you. Farhan Lone Saab. This is again. Very good delivery. This is again white given by the umpire. White. With this white, the score moves to 39 for the loss of 2. This is third over of this 8 overs under 14 cup, final cup. Again, this is a good shot at and very good fitting. The 2 batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 40 for the loss of 3. This is Abid on strike. He is a captain on strike. He is very interesting. He is very talented, young and energetic player. उसमें क्षमता है खेलने की. He is again. Here is a chance of a catch, but यहाँ पे well try by the fielder. But the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 41 for the loss of 3. This is a third over of this first evening, the final of under 14 played at Chukar. This is a very interesting match. Again, the new bowler Adil. To the batsman Abid. Abid की बात करेंगे तो एक क्षमता रखते हैं खेलने की. Again, this is again Adil to the batsman. यहाँ पे खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन clean board किया यहाँ पे आदिल ने. Very good bowling by Adil, and it is the end of the captain Ubaid. Now the new batsman is Kaisar, and 41 on board, and they lost 4 wickets. This is the third over, fourth over, sorry, and this is a wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 42 for the loss of 4. This is 8 overs final between the 2 teams. This is an interesting match under 14. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. आज तमाशगीर की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे तमाशा की कोई कमी नहीं है. अपने अपने टीम्स को यहाँ पे सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. दिस इज आदिल अगेन टू द बैट्समैन फैजान, एंड दिस इज अगेन वाइड. आज वाइडू की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे सैलाब हुआ है आज वाइडू का. दिस इज अगेन वाइड. यहाँ पे रन बचाने होंगे. द स्कोर मूव्स टू 43 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 4. दिस इज फोर्थ ओवर ऑफ दिस 8 ओवर्स मैच. नाउ आदिल अगेन टू द बैट्समैन. 44 on board. This is 4th over. This is a very good delivery by Adil. Beat the batsman Kaisar. Kaisar wants to hit this ball, but no connection with this ball. This is again Adil, and this is shot played by the batsman, and this is a 4 very good shot played by the batsman Kaisar, and this is a 4 for Kaisar. With this 4, the score moves to 48 for the loss of 4. This is 4th over in process. Very good batting by the batsman Kaisar. He is on strike. That is very interesting shot. Very good shot played by the batsman, and the 2 batsmen take 2 runs here. With this 2, the score moves to 50, and this is 50 for France 11 Chukar. It is a 4th over in process. Again, here is a chance of a catch, but at the end, this is a good delivery by Adil. No run score remains on 50 for the loss of 4. Now 5th over in now the new bowler is on his bowling mark, Mohammad Asif. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. Umar is the batsman. This is a wide given by the umpire. आज वाइड 2 का यहाँ पे सैलाब हुआ है कैप्टन आसिफ के बॉलिंग के दौरान. The score moves to 51 for the loss of 4. This is Umar. Here is batsman now. Umar on strike. Here a good shot played by the batsman, and this is 2 runs for the team for Umar. So score moves to 53 for the loss of 4. This is 5th over of this match. This is 8 overs final match between France 11 Chukar versus Victory Vipers. The captain of Victory Vipers is Mohammad Asif, and the captain of France 11 Chukar is Mr. Abid. He lost his wicket. Very good match, interesting match here. And so this is a 5th over of this final match under 14. यहाँ पे अगर तमाशाई की बात करें तो यहाँ पे तमाशाई बहुत ही तमाशी क्राउड यहाँ पे बहुत है। लेजेंड्स यहाँ पे है, अपने अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। यहाँ पे देखिए तमाशगीरों की यहाँ पे कमी ही नहीं है, अपने अपने टीम्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे। सो दिस इज 5th ओवर इन प्रोसेस and the bowler is Mohammad Asif to the batsman Umar. Umar is on strike. He is very experienced batsman and a very aggressive batsman. Again Mohammad Asif. Oh, out! It is out given by the umpire. Very good delivery by, and he is hit board. This is 5th wicket for Prince Aliman Chukar, and this is a 5th wicket. The score moves to 54 for the loss of 5. This is 5th over in process. This is a very interesting match. So this is the end of this first inning. The score is 58 and the target for Victory Vipers is 59 runs to win this match in 8 overs in 54. Yeah, so this is a first over in process for the victory for 59 to win this match to Victory Vipers. 58 runs for Prince Aliman Chukar and 59 runs to win this for Victory Vipers in 8 overs. This is a final match of under 14. This is a very interesting match. Now, let's go ballers now. Hazan is on his bowling mark to the batsman Asif. He is the captain of this Victory Vipers. He need 59 runs to win this match. And which team will be the champion of this final match? And this is white given by the umpire. With this white, the score on board is 1 run for Victory Vipers. This is again a very good shot played by the batsman at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 2 without any loss. And this is first over of this second inning. The total target is 59 for Victory Vipers. Now Umar is again on his bowling mark to the batsman, and this is good delivery. Get to repeat the batsman. The batsman name. Which one are batsmen? Mozin beat. Very good delivery by Faizan. Faizan is on his bowling mark again to the batsman Mozin. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman, and this is 2 runs for Victory Vipers. The score moves to 4 without any wicket. This is first over. 59 is target for Victory Vipers. This is good delivery by Faizan. Beat the batsman Mohsin. No run score remains on 4 for the loss of no loss. And this is good shot played by the batsman. And very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 5 for the loss, no loss. And this first over in process. The total target is 59 runs for Victory Vipers. Again, this is again white given by the umpire. With this white, the score moves to 6 without any loss. This is first over in process. 59 is target for Victory Vipers. This is again very good delivery. No run. And this is last delivery of this first over. The target is 59. Very good shot played by the batsman. And this is 2 runs for the team Victory Vipers. The score moves to score go to go.
Score.
The score after 1 over is 8 runs on board for Victory Vipers. Now they need 51 runs to win this match in 7 overs. And this is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score on board is 9 without any loss. This is Ayaz is on bowling mark. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. At the end, this is good fielding at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 10 without any loss. 59 is the target for Victory Vipers. This is Ayaz is again on his bowling mark to the captain Mohammad Asif. He's on strike. Again, good shot played by the batsman. At the end, very good fielding. But cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves to 10 without any loss. This is second over of this final match. The total target is 59 for Victory Vipers. This again. Oh, this is a great bowling by the bowler Ayaz. No run score remains on 9 without any loss. Ali Ansari on board. This is again Ayaz to the batsman. And this is a third delivery. No run. Score remains on Aliman without any loss. This is second over in process. The total target is 59 for Victory Vipers. Mohsin, he's on strike. Oh, good shot played by the batsman. At the end, here is a very well fielding. but cannot stop to batsman to take a single. With the single, the score moves to 12 without any loss. This is the second over and the last delivery of the second over. This is Ayaz again on his bowling mark, on his last delivery to the batsman Asif. He is the captain of Victory Vipers. He needed 59 runs and the total target in 8 was 59 to win this match. So Asif is again on his strike. Oh, wants to hit this ball, but beat the batsman. Very good delivery by Ayaz. No runs score remains on 12 without any loss. This is second over up. Now the third over is for Victory Vipers. 42 runs and 36 balls into and 40. Oh, this is a wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to those balls, 13 runs on board. Oh, this is wide again. Very good. Not good bowling by Shetram Balam Saiteji. Very good shot. This is again wide. The batsman motion wants to hit, but this is wide. This is again wide. Bache man ke sache. This is again very good delivery by and clean ball to the batsman Mohsin. This is end of first wicket. Mohsin is lost his wicket. So this is a very interesting match. Under 14 Cosmo tournament. Now the new batsman is Asif. Shakir is on strike. The very interesting player for Victory Vipers. 59 is target in 8 overs. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. And then the two batsmen take. There is a very well fielding at the end by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to. This is a Faisal again to the batsman Asif. And the score on board is 16 for the loss of 1. 59 is the target in this final under 14 Costco tournament. Oh, very good shot played by the batsman. And this is a very well fielding at the end by the fielder. The two batsmen take 2 runs here. With this 2, the score moves to 18 for the loss of 1. This is again Faisal to the batsman Asif. Oh, यहाँ पे बीट किया इस बैट्समैन बल्लेबाज को फैजाल ने. This is a dot delivery. No run score remains on 18 for the loss of 1. This is Faisal again to the batsman Asif. Oh, here is a chance of catch. Oh, this is the end of the batsman. The captain is out. Oh, this is a very interesting match here. The final match under 14. And this is a very interesting. इस मुकाबले में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता हुआ 14 अंडर 14 कप फाइनल ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट एंड ऑफ 2 hours end of 3 hours. The score on board is 18 on board. Now they need तुमको करो and 30 balls 35 need to Victory Viper. This is good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding by the captain of this team Nabir. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 19 for the loss of 2. This is again the new batsman is Faizan. He is very talented cricketer and this is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 20 for the loss of 1. This is a total target on board 59 for Victory Vipers. This is again on bowling mark to the batsman Faizan wants to hit this ball. Very good delivery. Beat the batsman Faizan. No run. The score remains on 20 for the loss of 1. This is a T20. This is a under 14 tournament and this is final of this tournament played between Friends 11 Chukar versus this is again. Oh, very good delivery. Beat the batsman Faizan. No run. This is very good bowling by the bowler Ayaz. Ayaz is on his bowling mark. And on umpiring is Musef. Oh, this is another good delivery, but it is wide tuned by the umpire Musef. And today is very interesting match and the final of T20 under 19 played at Chukartoba ground. You will be all invited from me. You will be come on proper time on 11 AM. This is again to the batsman. Oh, this is wide tuned by the umpire. The score moves to 23 on board. This is 5th over of this match. 8 overs. And the target is 59 for Victory Vipers. This is good shot played by the batsman. And this is 2 runs for Victory Vipers. The score moves to 25 for the loss of 2. So again, this is Ayaz on his bowling mark to the batsman Faizan. Oh, Faizan plays a shot here. Very good shot played by the batsman. And this is 2 runs for Victory Vipers. And 2 runs for the batsman Faizan. With this 2 run, the score moves to 25 for the loss of 2. The total target is 59 for Victory Vipers. आज यहाँ पे देखिए तमाशगिरों की भीड़ लगी हुई है, अपने अपने टीम को सपोर्ट करने में आए हैं. This is Faizan. Ayaz again to the batsman. This is wide given by the umpire. It is wide. The score moves to 26 for the loss of 2. 28, sorry. Wide here. Wide here. The score on board is 28. And this is 4th over in process. The total target is 59. Which team will be the champion of this under 14? And यहाँ पे मौका था एक मैच लेने का, विकेट लेने का, लेकिन गवा बेटे. This is a great try by the fielder. Umar. Faisal at the end. So the score on board is 30. Now, Mukesh go. After 4 hours, the score on board is 29 and 54 is the target for Victory Vipers given by Front Salman Chukar. This is very interesting match. And here is Sagar, the legend singer of our Kashmir Valley. He is also here at this ground for support these kids under 14. 24 balls and 25 runs to win this match, to be champion of this under 14 at Chukar. Now the new bowler is Kaisar is the bowler. Very good delivery by Kaisar. छोटे कद का Kaisar, लेकिन अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहिरा. Beat the batsman Faizan. He is again on his bowling mark. Faizan छोटे कद के. Oh, this is a wide given by the umpire. Wide. Kaisar is again on his bowling mark. छोटे कद के Kaisar आज अपने बॉलिंग पे. To the batsman Faizan wants to hit this ball. This is very good bowling by Kaisar. Beat the batsman Faizan. No run. And 22 balls and 24 runs to win this match, to be champion of this under 14 at Chukar Tulba ground. Very interesting match. This is final. Oh, this is again where this is wide given by the umpire. This is wide. Now 24 deliveries and they need only 24. 23 to win this match in 24 deliveries. And this is a wide. Again wide by the bowler Kaisar. This is very interesting match. आप इस live broadcast को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करें. This is again Kaisar to the batsman Faizan. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. At the end, this is well fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen. Take a single. Now they need only 21 runs in 21 balls, and you put your positive comment. Which team will be the champion of this under 14? This is final. Oh, this is great bowling by Kaisar. छोटे काट के Kaisar, लेकिन बीट किया यहाँ पे बैट्समैन शाकिर को. Again Kaisar on his bowling mark to the batsman. To the batsman Shakir. Oh, this is again यहाँ पे Kaisar को बॉल बचानी होगी, रन्स बचाने होंगे क्योंकि कम रन है. 20 balls में 21 रन चाहिए. 20 balls, 20 runs to win this match, to be a champion. Oh, here was the chance of a catch, but at the end missed by the wicket keeper. And this is 2 runs for the team Victory Vipers. इस मैच को आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. This is under 14 final match between the two teams, Victory Vipers and Front Salman. This is again wide given by the umpire. Kunu Bal Sadaran win this match and be the champion of this under 14 tournament. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the end. Oh, here is very good fielding at the end, and this is well tried by the fielder Kaisar. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, they need now and 18 balls, 16 runs to win this match. Not only win this match, but they will be the also champion of this under 14 cup. Now Faisal again on his bowling, and this is the cup of this under 14. Faisal again to the batsman. Oh, very good delivery. Very good delivery by the bowler. Beat the batsman Shakir. Very good delivery by Faisal. Beat the batsman Shakir. Faisal again to the batsman Shakir. Oh, मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट किया यहाँ पे. And 16 runs and 16 deliveries. Very interesting match. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. This is under 14. Faisal again to the batsman Shakir. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. At the end, here was a chance of it, but at the end this is missed. The two batsmen take 2 runs here. So this is 2 runs for the team Victory Vipers. Now they need only 14 in 15 deliveries. This is again good delivery by Faisal. 14 balls, 14 runs to win this match, to be the champion of under 14. This is again very good delivery by the bowler Faisal. 13 deliveries, 14 runs. Rohan Balm Sadaran win this match and be the champion of this under 14. This is final. Oh, this is great shot at the end. Very good fielding by the bowler at the end by Faisal. No runs score in 12 balls. 12 runs need to be. This is very interesting match here at Chukar. It is under 14 final between the two teams. Now this is 12 balls are remaining and this is Faizan on strike and very good delivery by the bowler. The bowler is Ayaz. Beat the batsman Faizan. He's on strike again. Ayaz on his bowling mark. Oh, this is another. This is wide. This is wide given by the umpire. यहाँ पे 11 deliveries and 13 runs to win this match, to be champion of under 14. This is great shot played by the batsman and the two batsmen take a single. With the single, now they need 12 runs in 10 deliveries. Dahbal, Bahbal, Zendastein to be the champion of this under 14. Dahbal to Bahran. This is Ayaz again. Ayaz is again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, this is great shot. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. At the end, very well tried by the captain Abid. But the two batsmen take a single. With the single, now they need 11 runs in 9 deliveries. Very interesting match. इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करें. Ayaz again to the batsman Shakir. Faris, Faizan. This is short delivery. Very good delivery. No run. Now they need only 8 deliveries and 11 runs. This is a wide give than the umpire. 10 runs in 8 deliveries. Orhan Balan Dahran. This is very interesting. Ayaz again. Oh, this is great shot. Oh, the little champ guys take a good catch at the end. Very good catch taken by the. Oh, तारीफ करनी होगी यहाँ पे इस फील्डर की. एक अच्छा कैच लपेटा. So this is end of Faizan. Now they need only 10 runs in 7 deliveries. And they have they have left 2 wickets and they need only 10 runs in 7 deliveries. Now Ayaz is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ayan. Ayan is on strike. आज Ayan को खेलना होगा, चैंपियन बनाना होगा अपनी टीम को. Oh, this is great delivery. Very good delivery. Short delivery, no run. Now they need 10 runs in 6 deliveries. And they have and they have only 1 wicket in hand. This is very interesting match here at Chukar. Under 14 final. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. It is very interesting match. Kuzen match, Kuzen. Jangan lupa Kuzen match. Kuzen match. Betting, coba coba Kuzen. Suka support kara, mana? Coba coba Faisal Kuzen. Kuzen match. शाबाश यहाँ पे सपोर्टर्स अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करते हुए. This is very interesting match. Second deliveries and 10 runs to win this match, to be the champion of under 14 at Chukar. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. ऑन बॉलिंग मारक Umar is on bowling mark, the brother of Kamran Bhatt. And this is again last over. And this is a no ball given by the umpire. And this is 3 hit. Oh, यहाँ पे मैच में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता हुआ. 3 hit given by the umpire. Umar again to the batsman Shakir. Again wide. Oh, यहाँ पे free hit बरकरार. 2 run. Again no ball given by the umpire. यहाँ पे no ball, 2 or wide. Interesting match here between the two teams. Now they need only 6 balls and 7 runs to win this match. Oh, this is again wide given by the umpire. Now they need only 6 balls and 6 runs to win this match, to be the champion of under 14. Oh. And the fielder Jackets catch, but it is no ball. Very interesting match here. No ball. This was no ball. This was free hit. But at the end, this is interesting match. Very interesting match. There is very crowd here at this round. Now they need 6 runs in 5 deliveries. 5 balls, 5 runs to win this match. This is very interesting. This is very interesting match here. यहाँ पे crowd बढ़ता हुआ. Again white. Given by the anchor. Very good. This is a white for. Now 4 runs win this match. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. At the end here, the 2 batsmen take a single. Now they need only 3 runs to win this match in 4 deliveries.
But this is the last
Here was the chance of a wicket, but it is out. Given by the 3rd umpire. So 3 runs in 3 deliveries. This is very interesting match at Chukar under 14. And this is last wicket here. Now the new batsman is Adil. Chote Kad ka खिलाड़ी Adil. 4 balls win this match. Be the champion of under 14. Oh, here is a good shot played by the batsman. Oh! This is victory for Friends 11 Chukar. Very good match between the 2 teams. And there's a final win by Friends 11 Chukar. So this is the cup for Friends 11 Chukar given by Huzef Mir. Very interesting match here at Chukar. Under 14 Glasgow tournament. So this is end of this match. End of this final match. That champion of this Friends 11. Champion of this under 14 is Friends 11 Chukar. And given by the cup by Huzef Mir. Best of luck and congratulations from me to Friends 11 Chukar. Very interesting match. And this is the end of this live broadcast. यहाँ पे देखिए खुशी कितनी है इन इस टीम में Friends 11 Chukar. They are the champions of this under 14 final. यहाँ पे देखिए तमाशगीर कितने आए थे इस फाइनल मुकाबले को देखने के लिए. So this is end of this live broadcast. Keep share this and keep support. आज हम दोबारा लाइव आपसे मुखातिब होंगे इंशाल्लाह at Tulba ground, the big match and the final match, the super day, the Sunday day and the fun day inshallah on Tulba on proper time 11 a.m. the final day between CSK Palawan versus Chukar Cricket Club. Inshallah, I hope you will be all come on proper time. So this is end of this live broadcast. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz.